to get your eggs, silly. Hey guys, it's Kay here. It is Fun Fact Saturday. So this is my face, and I have some red hair going on. My mom thinks it is red, but I think it's orange. And it is Fun Fact Saturday, so I have a little fact for you. So we are inside the chicken coop, and I'm going to show you my favorite chicken. So this is Gaga. She is a showgirl chicken, and she is 1 year old, and she is broody, and she's gonna hatch some eggs. So these aren't her eggs; they're another mom chicken's eggs. She just wants to be a mom. We named her Gaga because she looks like Lady Gaga. I just want to show you what her neck looks like. That's what makes her a showgirl. We brought the eggs inside to see if they have babies, and all 6 of them have babies. Thanks for stopping by and learning about my chicken Gaga, and stay tuned for 2 more weeks. When her baby chicks hatch, please support Candy Ranch and hit that bell so you can be notified when a new video comes out. And comment down below, how do you think Gaga looks?